We'll begin this drawing in the center of the page and draw 2 circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So line at the top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left side, draw a smaller circle going all the way around, and then bend that back in. And I'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Let's add some lashes across the eye. From the top left, go up. Just going to work our way out towards the side. Add a couple more on the inside. Now we're going to wrap those thick glasses around the eyes, starting from the inside of the left eye, bend this down, go all the way around, and then pull that up towards the top. Now from here we're going to bend this up and then down towards the inside of the eyes. Now we're going to add that thick trim around the outside, starting from the top left, follow that curve going up and then down. Curve the center going across. Let's go back to the side. Trace this curve coming down towards the bottom and then up towards the middle. And then we'll close off the center. Now in between the glasses, we're going to add the nostrils, starting on the left side, bend this down and in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the center, draw a short line coming down towards the mouth. And want to curve the mouth coming down and then up toward the left and right side. And then on the ends, we're going to add a small bracket. Let's surround the mouth with that fur edge. Starting on the left side, we're going to add these little curves going around towards the chin. And just work our way across and up towards the right. Let's add the outside of the fur. We're going to start from the left side of the glasses. Add these curves going around the jaw. I'm just going to start to pull this in towards the chin, across the middle, and then bend that back up towards the right side. Now tuck the ears in behind that fur. Start from the left side, bend this down, and then out. Let's round out the ear, come in, and then bend that back up. And then we're going to add a fold across the top. From here, bend this in, and then out. Let's add that large ball of fur across the top of the head. We're going to start right in the middle with a curve. Now go to the left side, we're going to add these curves around a circle. Going all the way around toward the top. We can also vary the size of these curves. Going down towards the bottom. Let's add some fur across the side of the head. Start from the left side. Again, adding these curves going out. And we want to close off the inside. From the left side, we're going to bend this up and then in. And we add a little bit more fur along the inside of the glasses. Let's start on the left. So bending this around the eye and then down. Let's add 2 eyebrows across the top of the glasses. Bend this up and then in. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We start right in the center with a curve. Coming down and then up. Now we move out to the side. Let's draw the body. We're going to go all the way around and then down towards the bottom of the dress. Let's close out the bottom with a wave. Going all the way across. Now from the side of the collar, let's draw the inside of the jacket. I'm going to bend this around and then out. Let's add 2 small buttons on the left side with 2 circles. Let's go to the center of the body, add a curve. Then move up in the center, draw a circle for the necklace. And we'll draw 2 straight lines going out. Now let's tuck the legs in underneath, leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend this out and then down towards the heel on both sides. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up and then down, aiming towards the heel, and we want to leave a gap on the inside. And then from the top of the foot, bend the leg coming in and then up. Now I want to separate the toes 2 curves on either side. And then in this section, we're gonna go up and then down with a half oval, and do that one more time. Now we're gonna go all the way back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start from the side of the body. We're gonna bend the arm going out and then down towards the bottom, towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's add the thumb with a half circle. And we'll close off the end with a small bracket. Now halfway along the edge of the arm, we're gonna draw the sleeve. We're gonna bend this out and then up towards the outside. Bend the sleeve going up and then in underneath the head. Let's add those 2 large fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're gonna come down and then up around that bracket. Step down, add the second finger going up and then in towards the wrist. And I'll bend the arm going up and then in underneath the sleeve. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to finish off by adding a bracelet on the left arm with 2 curves. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's our draw Bellwether from Zootopia. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.